My brothers and sisters, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Na me be una ogbonge presenter Anthony, your regular first aid immigrant solution man wey dey always dey come dey drop anything wey dey happen for Europe wey we dey so. So wetin make me still come out today wey I say make I come still chook my mouth for dis story wey dem still dey talk, wey dem still dey propose for the people wey know say e dey Italy. Sake of say dem come talk say the reason why most people wey dey Italy no dey born again, and some of dem wey still dey born, dem still dey carry the pikin dey comot, because dem say a lot of immigrants don dey comot for Italy. Dem still dey go another country based on say dem no still dey get good assistance wey dem dey give their citizens. Na im make some of the reasons say some of their citizens no come still dey born again. Na im dis people wey dem dey call Lepre and Dario, dem be two senators for PD wey dem come talk say those things no good, but dem wan come bring law wey dem fit take assist families wey know say e get pikin. Na some of dis their proposed law na im dem come still come talk on July 22, come talk say July 22, 2020, dem come talk say dis law so dem need to do am in a way wey dem fit still take assist family wey know say e get children. So wetin be dis law wey dem still dey propose so? Na I wan explain so. And some of dis law so dem don carry am go House of Chamber wey dem dey call Camera di Deputati. Dem don carry am go there and dem don already vote am. Na only one assent dem get that day, which is on the 22 of July 2020. Dem don pass am for there, which is the Chamber House. Now dem dey carry am go Senate. So if Senate don pass am, dis proposed law wey I will talk so, dem go come pass am to law, and the money dem go come dey pay am continuously till pikin come reach 21 years. So now I wan chook my mouth put so. So wetin be before now, some of the benefit wey we dey get before, like those Assegno Familiar, wey for those people wey dey work, some of dem dey receive, depends on your money wey dey receive, from 100 or 118 na dem dey pay for each pikin before. Na dem come talk say for those people wey know say dem dey receive 800 for bonus mother, which is anybody wey know say e get belle and e still get 5 years document, e fit still apply for dis bonus mother. Dem go give dem 800 instantly. After the 800, that one go stop. Then while those people wey still get children fit still apply for dis bonus bebe, which is baby bonus, wey dem still dey give dem from 80 to 160 as the case may be. So depends on your ease, and na all those things na dem still dey say those small small money wey dem dey give for a year, 2 years or 3 years, or dem dey put for una pay slip at the end of the month. Dem come say dem no wan do am like that because of say no be groundnut we dey sell, so no be crayfish we dey sell. So dem wan just carry all the money together so that dem just pay am once, and the money go dey regular till pikin go reach 21 years. Na be dis Lepre and Dario bill. Dis Lepre and Dario bill, so dis people, so dem be senator and dem come for PD. Na dem propose dis law, come talk say all dis money wey dem dey pay small small, so for dem pay 1 year for bonus bebe, before na 3 years before, dem come reduce am to 1 year. While those people wey first born before, dem no even receive all dis bonus wey we dey talk so. While bonus mother wey dem still dey collect, wey be €800, dem wan still try to come add everything together. Dem come make am universal or unico. Italo go call am Assegno Unico. Dis money dem come make sure say dem wan abolish all those other benefits wey we dey get small small, as if say na groundnut we dey sell, come join dem together. Dem come base am for one amount, and that amount e go dey constant, and e go dey robust, and e go dey simple and equal, and e go dey continuous, and e go dey universal. Dem no go say because say you no get 5 years document, or you no get document, dem no go give you. So the money go dey continuous until the pikin go reach 21 years. Na be the thing wey dis people propose. So make I come analyze am as the thing take dey for dey say single unique children allowance. Dey say House of Chamber dem don pass the law to be for on the 22 of July wey I first talk before. Then dey say any family with pikin from the 7 month of pregnancy wey the woman go get belle, if e don reach 7 months till pikin go reach 21 years, na im dem go take pay dis money. And dis money wey dem wan pay so, dem dey calculate am according to how your take play. Your na all those money wey the government take dey calculate to take know your economic standard. If you don do every year, so na im dem go take know how your fit take give you the money. And the support wey dem wan take support the family so, dem say from €80 to 240 per month. And the money e go base on the age of the child, and e go still base on whether the numbers of children wey the person get for the family, and e go still increase based on if you get somebody wey dey disabled, or if you get person wey know say e no still dey normal, the money go still increase make dem fit take care of those disabled people. So na im make dis money take dey increase. Na im be dis law wey dem put together, but wetin dey abolish for the law be say dem wan cancel those bonus, like bonus bebe wey I dey call bonus mother, wey dem dey give woman wey get belle from 7 months to for fit apply, dem give you €800. Dem say dem wan cancel dat one. Dem wan still cancel bonus bebe wey bonus mother, sorry, na I first talk just now, wey be €800 wey dem dey give when woman go get belle. Na you fit collect am till if you don born too. And dem wan cancel dat one. And once dem dey pay dat €800 before, but dem wan cancel dat one. And dem wan also cancel bonus bebe, like those people wey dey receive 80 or 160 or 3 something, or as the case may be. Dem say dem wan still cancel dat one because dat money dem dey pay am for a year. After a year, the money go stop. So but dem wan come put all these allowances wey dem first dey pay for pikin before, dem wan add everything together. Dem go come dey pay am till pikin go reach 21 years. So dis one na be the good thing wey dis government don still do, because of say when dem dey try to do all these things, so dem dey press dey go how the thing go take play. Now dem don approve am for chamber house now. So if e don reach Senate, I know say Senate go still approve am. As soon as Senate don approve am, from next year 2021, na im dis law wan start into play. Na im dem start to dey give dis money. So anybody wey know say e get children, so as the children take increase, na so dem take pay. As your still take low, na so you still get fat money again. So if you know say you get children, and the children dey disabled and all those things, God forbid say we no pray for disabled children. So but if they get anybody wey know say e get am for family, you need to still accept am as the case may be, as e take come. Then you get right to get this money as the time go still come. But your money go still big pass those people wey you know say you no first still get. So this universal support, so they come abolish all the one wey first dey before. They come unite them together. They come make the money come once, and e go dey stable and continuous. So na so they say they want to pay the money. And the money ranges from 80 to 240. Na so they don take propose am according to the law. Once the Senate don agree finish, so wetin Lepre and Dario don already write for the bill wey dem talk, so na analyze. So if the Senate don sign am, dem come pass am to law. So once they don pass am to law, from next year, anybody wey know say e get children, even though say your wife get belle, once e don reach 7 months, kpakam, then you just go apply. The alert will just dey come till that pikin you born, and you go reach 21 years, they will pay the money stable. So those people wey know say dem still dey run comot for Italy due to bonus now. Na dis one na still another great opportunity wey you go still take remain, because of say dem say pipu no dey born again. Even foreigners, when I still go work dat day, dem still talk say even foreigners don still reduce for the way dem take dey give birth for about up to 4%. Now I come tell dem say even dis hardship, who go like to born? You understand? Nobody go like to born for dis hardship, because of say everywhere no level again, because dem no know where dis koro dey carry person dey go. So dem dey try to bring all these things so to take support family, in order to encourage dem. Once family dey get dis kind support wey dey steady, so e go dey give dem mind to fit take raise family with joy, without any complaint. But if money no dey pocket, e go dey difficult. So na im make am dem dey talk say make dem bring dis law to take assist family. So if you find dis video dey useful, or if you get any other question concerning dis help wey dem dey call universal allowance for children, wey dem wan propose, wey dem dey propose, so wey dem wan pass to law any moment from now, then so that next year, once the thing don start, you go still benefit, because we say make we dey drop am small small. If dem don pass am to law, I still come again come still chook my mouth put. So if you find dis video dey useful, make una no forget to subscribe, and make una still share dis video to other people, so that dem still dey aware of wetin still dey go on for Italy wey we dey. So if you still want to still call me for further information concerning dis matter, you fit still call me for 351-012-3025. Now that one be my number wey I still dey use, still dey give my consolate advice to my viewer. So thank you and remain blessed. Una bye bye.